Sushi Go is a fun card game for 2 to 5 people where players try to score the most points by playing different sushi cards. To start the game, shuffle the deck of Sushi Go cards and deal 10 cards to each player if you're playing with 2 players, 9 cards each for 3 players, 8 cards each for 4 players, or 7 cards each for 5 players. Place the rest of the cards face down in the middle of the playing area. Each player picks 1 card from their hand to keep and places it face down in front of them. Then, everyone reveals their face down card and passes their hand to the player on their left. Players again choose a card they want to keep from their new hand and place it face down in front of them. Once everyone is chosen, players reveal their chosen card and pass their hand to the left again. Play continues like this until all of the cards have been played face up on the table. If a player chooses an egg, squid, or salmon nigiri card from their hand, and they have a wasabi card face up in front of them, they must place their nigiri card on the wasabi card, which triples the card's value. Only 1 nigiri card can be played on each wasabi card. If a player has a chopsticks card face up in front of them, they can choose 2 cards from their hand instead of 1 on a future turn. They then place the chopsticks card back in their hand before passing it. Players can only use 1 chopsticks card per turn. Once all of the cards have been played, each player scores their face-up cards. The player with the most total maki roll icons, found along the top of the cards, wins 6 points. The player with the second most total maki roll icons wins 3 points. If there is a tie, the points are split evenly between both players. Each pair of tempura cards a player has is worth 5 points. A set of 3 sashimi cards is worth 10 points. Squid nigiri cards are worth 3 points each. Salmon nigiri cards are worth 2 points. And egg nigiri cards are worth 1 point. A nigiri card played on top of a wasabi card is tripled in value. Wasabi cards that aren't paired with a nigiri card are worth nothing. The number of points you get for dumpling cards depends on how many you have. 1 dumpling is worth 1 point. 2 dumplings are worth 3 points. 3 dumplings are worth 6 points. 4 dumplings are worth 10 points. And 5 or more dumplings are worth 15 points. Pudding cards are held onto and not scored until the end of the game. After each player scores their cards, shuffle the cards, excluding the pudding cards, and deal a new round. The game is played over 3 rounds. After finishing 3 rounds, players score their pudding cards and add those points to their total score. The player with the most pudding cards gets 6 points. If playing with more than 2 players, the player with the fewest pudding cards loses 6 points. Whoever has the most points after 3 rounds wins. If there is a tie, the player with the most pudding cards wins.